All right, here it is. 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX Hemi, 4-speed. Car's got that day 2 street racer look. Cheater slick out back. Nice patinaed look. Car originally came with a black vinyl top. After years of sitting in the sun, that failed. So it was ripped in many places, so we just finished removing it. But that's what you can see is kind of, it's what it was. There's actually a little remnant of it there. That's how the car was originally spec'd. You can see here another bad Bondo spot, but car's got a really cool attitude to it. Here's another area of bad body work. You can see a little bit here too, but this was all failing when we got the car. So we finished kind of peeling it back and seeing what it was hiding, and it's this seam here, this weld spot. So this was repaired along the line. The rest of the car is very solid and rust free, so I'm not really sure what happened here. It's hard to believe that it'd be from rot, but make your own assumptions there. But yeah, this Bondo here, and it continues to go, and obviously picks up again over here by the fender well. This is metal, so that's a good part about that. Yeah. Cool old police sticker. All right. Now, as noted, the hood latch is funky. Done what I could to try to minimize it, but right now it's just hanging out on the secondary hood latch. So new owner will have to play with that, but so there you have it. All right, onto the interior. Overall, it shows really nicely. The seats are in great condition. They look nice. Chrome looks nice. Back seats are great. Nothing wrong with those. These little cranks, this one can come off, so that will need to be addressed. If this trim piece here needs to be refitted a little better. The steering wheel has some cracking, so there's that. The center console, missing some stuff here, but overall the interior shows really nicely. The seats are all in really good shape. Armrest here actually has a small little rip, but most of all the door panels look nice. All the windows roll up and down. Your mirror adjustment works. Smoking mirrors, or smoking windows open. Here's the trunk. It's got a old mat in it, but peel this back, you can see It's all really solid. This is some scale, but it's not rotted. Both sides. Spare tire. Choke, so you have to